Hi, my name is Carmen Diana Almeida and I'm the creative placement in Possible by Sean Dale Jones and produced by National Theatre Wales. What is a creative placement? Well, really, it adapts to each individual and each project. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about my background and how I fit into this project. In the past, I've studied audiovisual communication, that is a degree of university that mixes film, television, and radio. And then I studied an MA in scriptwriting for film and television, and then I moved to the UK to study an MA in drama. I've always been really interested in mixing drama and other media, so that's why I think I was really a good fit for this project, because as you can see, we have cameras, we have a stage, because this is a live stream performance. It was really interesting how in the beginning I was more involved with the script writing process. I always felt that Sean was really open to listen to my ideas, and I think it's really nice when the writer approaches to you saying, hey, what do you think about this? Can we work on this scene? Do you like how I've written this? Especially in this show, because it's quite personal. So I always felt very supported in the moment of having my ideas heard. Then with Steffi, that she is the co-director and stage designer, we talk a lot about how to make the storyboard with the cameras, mixing like wide frames, close-ups, and how each frame was better to enhance an emotion within the script. So that was basically the first weeks of the rehearsals. We were working on how to develop the story, to try to make it more approachable to the audience. And another good thing is that on the days that people were working with individual departments, I always have time to mix with every department. So I've been listening and sitting to see how the musician John was producing music with Sean, how the sound designer was creating new sounds and effects, same with the lights, same with the stage manager. It's been, all the teams have been really supportive and really open for me to collaborate with them. And also, they also care about you as a creative getting the most of it. Like, for example, I remember a lot of days I was like, do you need me here? Do you need me there? And they were like, well, where do you want to be to take the more experience of this project? And then when we finally moved into this space, that this is where we are doing the show tonight, for example, everything was much more precise and technical. We already have done the creative process, so now we have to be very, very, very quick and very detailed with all the technical things. So for example, my role here is to be a prompter and make sure that Sean knows in each moment which camera is on him, where does he needs to move to be on the light, when is the next scene, and everything goes smoothly. Finally, I want to say thank you to National Theatre Wales, to Sean, to Steffi, and all the members of this team, because as a creative that is completely new to this industry, because I'm not from here, I'm from Spain, and then I moved to the UK, having this type of opportunities to get a foot into the industry is really, really important, because it's making me feel part of the Welsh culture and arts industry, and also it's like a really nice way to start networking. So I think that was it. Thank you so much for listening to me. See you the next time. Bye.